Can you see close friend story on Instagram without being friends? So let's get started. No, you cannot view someone's close friend story on Instagram if you are not their close friends list. Close friend stories are private and can only be seen by the people added to that specific list by the person who posts the story. If you are not added to their close friends, you won't be able to see their close friends' content. Now, the only workaround is to ask them directly. Now, if you have a good relationship with them, then if they are willing, you can view their close friend stories in the future. The only way to access it is if they decide to add you to that list or if they share it with you directly through other means. If you found this video helpful, please like, share and subscribe, and thank you so much for watching. So that is it. If you found this video helpful, please like, share and subscribe, and thank you so much for watching.